beach. We're going to the beach. I think that's the ramp to the beach, for sure. Made it to the beach. Beach. Yeah. Hot. So we're at the beach, and we're spending the day at the beach. I don't know if this is going to work, but it's really loud. Louder than I expected at the beach today. High surf.
Get wet sand.
Wet sand? You're going to be a Navy SEAL, wet and sandy? Guess so. SEAL training. First day of the beach. Hi, Mama.
I found a shell! Guys, it's not working.
What are you guys building?
I'm building a hill and a hole. Wayne built it, but he broke it.
Oh. Now what are you doing, buddy?
He's helping me. Mom, help me.
You guys having
Stop
fun?
working.
You guys having fun at the beach today?
Yeah!
Well, there was tornado warnings this morning. And now we're just chilling at the beach, relaxing. Letting the waves do their thing. Baywatch.
Yeah.
Young Baywatch. I'm gonna walk on the earth. Gotta get those positive ions. Preston, you wanna walk on the earth with me? Richard, you want to walk on the earth? That looks like a dead squirrel, but it's not. Preston, walk on the earth. Barefoot. They say it's good for the earth, and it's good for you. It's like vitamins, but you don't have to buy them. The one thing about wolves, they just never know where to go. It's like chickens. You gotta tell them, nope, this way. Go chickies. This way. Some more earth walking. Positive ions. I feel it in my feet. They're so ionic.